want to carry gun now, pop, 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 pop. Tinubu will sign Biafra with overnight, and Yoruba will go. He will sign the division of Nigeria. Tinubu will sign it. Tinubu is not Jonathan, though.
Why? Is Jonathan weak?
No, we want peace to reign.
Jonathan is a peaceful man.
He's a peaceful man.
So Tinubu, that is not Tinubu's policy.
Jonathan said that his own ambitions do not want a life of one common Nigeria. It's not up to a life of one common Nigeria. He surrendered. But not Tinubu. Tinubu have ambition, and the ambition is for him to be president, and the ambition for him to break the record of people that are before him. You see, Mr. Paradeli Okokonde, this is what makes me to love the North. Not as a whole. Call them Fulani herdsmen. Call them Hausa Fulani. Call them Arewa. Call them Northern Youth. Call them Yenti Anla. This is why I love them. You know why I love them? You don't know. Nobody knows.
Because they are of the unity.
Because anything that will not favor them in Nigeria, they kick against it.
They will come together.
And they come together and kick against it. If you watch allocation of tax reform and the allocation of everything, not in general are benefiting more. We're giving less to federal. Although what the governor of Borno State said, in one hand he is right, in one hand he's fighting for himself, saying that it will favor Lagos and other states in the west. Really, it will favor them. NNPC headquarters, Lagos. Port Authority, headquarters, Lagos. MTN, Lagos. And because the headquarters of so many companies were in Lagos, all the whole tax collected, MTN collected all over Nigeria. They pay the tax revenue to Lagos. All the whole money they collected all over the federation, MTN, they pay the tax to Lagos State only because their headquarters is in Lagos. So it is every other network line service, they pay their tax to Lagos when they generate that money from all over the federation. Now, NNPC headquarters, Lagos, where oil is dogging from southeast, Lagos is eating the benefits. Apart from the north that occupy the offices where money is flowing, they're coming to tax paying. Lagos is making the profit. Ports, Nigeria Port Authority headquarters, Lagos. How many Yoruba people are doing importation? The importation in Nigeria, is it not southeast are doing most of the importation? Lagos is taking the share, eating the benefits. If you come to industrial allocations, Lagos, Ogun, and the Kano. Southeast is not in the map of industrial area in Nigeria. No southeast were in the map. All the whole companies in west here calculated it. How many owns by Yoruba? Dangote, all the Dangote tax, is it not? All the Dangote tax, is it not in Yoruba? Is it not in Yoruba? Is it the Lagos that are paying? Emzo, pharmacy company, owned by Igbo man. The day I went to Aswani, I see Emzo, they tell me that it's Igbo people own it. I shouted. Say what? They say yes. Now I heard the rumor. I have not seen that with my eye. They say they built another one at Ijabu also. Very mighty. Why can't they go to their state and build it? Because industrial allocation was not approved to Southeast. Immediately war ended. This is agreement between North and the West that no company should be built. That they should scrap that area, industrial estate. They should not give allocated to them. This is why if you go to Owerri, if you go to Imo State capital Owerri as a whole, you only see hotel, hotel, hotel. Each street in Owerri, at least you can see five, six hotels in each street in Owerri because they are not allowed to build industries in their place. All of them will come to West, not and build it. So what that man said in that hand is really, it's okay. Tinubu is doing it to benefit their people. And if you come to North are crying because they know they do not benefit them. They give less to federal and collect more. Can you believe we have a population allocation? This population allocation is the local government that have more, they are more in population. We have higher share in this population allocation. Now, the Easterners are losing, both South and Southeast are losing in tax paying, but they are the one, majority, paying tax in the West, paying tax in the North. Do you know how many Kano state governments are generating from Sabongeri? They are generating from Sabongeri. Do you know how many Igbo people, all this quack shop, do you know how many radio license, TV license they are paying every year? All those shops they own, whether it's 1 foot by 1 foot, do you know that Lagos state government collect tax on it every year? And majority of the Olodum are Igbos. But their own place, no way. Seaport, no way. Airport, no way. Road, no way. And they are still one Nigeria, paying their tax, collecting more cash, collecting more in collecting less in allocation. Infrastructure, woefully zero from federal government. You understand? Okay, not bound alcohol, but alcohol, beer and the ogogoro and the hot and whatever, manpower and coal, jadi, all of them are drinking with the hot. When they gather it finish, they share it. The same from alcohol. Give not we collect. They will not say no, it's alcohol. We will not collect it. It's generated from alcohol. This is why they are crying. This is why they are crying. Tinubu don't do it. Look at it. When Tinubu presented the regional government, knock it down. Tax, knock it down because it will not favor them. You see why this tax have two edges? It's two-edged sword. Yeah, past second reading because Akpabio is a rubber stamp. Akpabio is a rubber stamp. Had he been rep, can supersede Senate, I will say, because he's a Fulani man that is rep speaker, I will say they may stop it. But as far as Senate supersede rep, that thing will sell because Tinubu will use his veto power as executive president and approve it.
So even though the North
said no,
even though the majority
said no,
even though the majority say no,
Tinubu,
so you see that Tinubu sees veto power. That's what they are saying. Would this not cause conflict? Would this not cause division? Would this not cause problem?
If it cause conflict, then Yoruba are ready to go because Yoruba get much in one Nigeria. Yoruba is, apart from Abuja, let me tell you the truth, apart from Abuja, Yoruba is the most beneficiary of one Nigeria. The people that lose completely, lose woefully, the worst losers are the Easterners. Call yourself South, call yourself Southeast. They are the worst losers. They are not the best losers, they are the worst losers. Not make something. At least Abuja cannot railway favor them. Abuja, Katsina to Niger railway, it favor them. Abuja as a whole favor them. Occupying the power, occupying the political post, occupying army, it favor them. Not to have the highest army general, both retired and current in Nigeria. He favored them. Eh? So the people are losing our southeast. If not to carry gun now, because of tax reform or Tinubu policies, the Yoruba have gone. Oduduwa Republic have gone without any struggling. And which is where Tinubu is working. Forget that all this Tinubu is doing. Tinubu wants anarchy to happen so that the people will go without a gun standing in their place. I'm telling you honestly, if not to carry gun now, Tinubu will send Biafra with overnight and Yoruba will go. He will send the division of Nigeria. Tinubu will sign it. Tinubu is not Jonathan though.
Why? Is Jonathan weak?
No, we want peace to reign.
Jonathan is a peaceful man, a peaceful
He's a
president.
peaceful man.
So Tinubu, that is not Tinubu's policy.
Jonathan said that his own ambitions do not want a life of one common Nigeria. It's not up to a life of one common Nigeria. He surrendered. But not Tinubu. Tinubu have ambition. And the ambition is for him to be president. And the ambition for him to break the record of people that are before him. As he's breaking the record now with the hunger. This is why, you see, all these policies that not we feel that is not favoring them. This is why he's pushing those policies. If not to make a claim, Northern Barrack is there. Tinubu will relocate to Northern Barrack. And if Northern Barrack ruling Nigeria, if he said no, the next thing, Oduduwa flying off. And which I'm praying to be so. To attend to all Israel. Arewa to Arewa, Fulani to Fulani, Yoruba to Yoruba, Biafra to Biafra, meet the bed to meet the bed. That's the only solution for Nigeria. And Tinubu know. That's why he's pushing whatever you know. You are favoring the Yorubas. If he is favoring to Yorubas and you're not happy with it, you carry gun, try it. Overthrow Tinubu and let us see the reaction of Yoruba. Overthrow Tinubu. Carry gun, declare war. Let us see the reaction of Yoruba. Because they know that the Biafra will never support you to fight them. Because Biafra themselves want to go, they don't want to be in Nigeria again. How much more the time where Yoruba determined to come out, to stand firmly, at least for 3 months. Nigeria will scatter. Stand firmly, resist not. Nigeria will scatter. Everybody goes on. Because Igbo is not ready for one Nigeria. Forget about all these politicians that these fooling Nigerian government with one Nigeria, and fooling Nigeria with one Nigeria. When it happened, they are the first people we run down to east. Igbo politicians will leave Abuja. Unless they will never go Abuja again. Lagos, they will not go again. They will run down to east. Look at June 12, 1993. How every Igbo man go. So, North should allow Tinubu. They cannot be able to beat Tinubu. Because as Tinubu, Maradona P2B, and be a president in 2023, so with Tinubu, Maradona, everybody. Unless God in heaven remove him. Unless God in heaven remove Tinubu.
So you feel that the North doesn't have what it takes to remove Tinubu in 2027? You feel that doesn't have?
I'm not saying they don't have what it takes. They have what it takes. But if they take it and remove Tinubu, what will remain in Nigeria? Because the West must surely go. If you remove Tinubu, the West must surely go. All this we are saying, we write a petition, we do this, so the Igbo will go and speak for us. This one, do this, this one. Now that time, you know that the Yorubas are prepared to go, and they will go. They will go. They will leave Nigeria, they will go.
So no hope for Peter Obi, even though is forming is allegedly with him and himself and Atiku coming together. Do you not see them hoisting Tinubu?
Is this one the first time Atiku and Obi coming together? 2019, what happened? Are they not together?
Then Obi wasn't popular.
Now Obi has become popular. Obi has become because he are obedient. Obedient will end up in obedient. Don't react. Let God decide. Don't react. But look at the Fabaru of Rivers State. When Wike was messing up, didn't he react?
Bara.
To Bara. Didn't stand on his feet.
Yes.
I resist wicked. If Fubara was
Oshonwale and Obaseki.
yes, if Fubara was obedient, don't you know that wicked could have removed him. In 2027, Obi will still remain obedient because every year Obi is a boy. Every year Obi is a boy. According to the reader I read, textbook I read, every year Obi is a boy. Every year Obi is a boy. That's the time we start asking which year Obi will be a man.
So you feel that Tinubu will take advantage of his calmness?
Even if at all, go to grave, bring Awolowo, bring Zik, bring Tafa Balewa, bring Amadu Bello, bring Mayo Akpara, bring Samuel Akintola to contest with Tinubu. Join all of them together. Tinubu will still beat them. That's what I'm saying. Bring Haba Macaulay. Join all of them together to be one to contest with Tinubu. Tinubu will still beat them as far as Nigeria is concerned. As far as Nigeria is concerned, Tinubu know how they do it on waka. Tinubu know how they do it on waka. So make the leave her. Emiloko is his own time. Make the leave her. After all, the time when Buhari do there, Buhari do whatever he did. Do you see Tinubu challenging Buhari? After all, what Tinubu is doing now is leftover of Buhari. What Tinubu is doing now is leftover of Buhari. Why cannot shout that time? Buhari was doing it own. Because now that Tinubu, make the shout. I beg you, leave that thing alone. The one divide them. This one is River State. This one is Southeast State. And this one is East Central State. That's how all of them turn away from Biafra. This is how so-called this South or Southeast claiming that they are Niger Delta. This is how they deceived themselves during the first war, Biafran war. Ken Saro-Wiwa and the co, Real Lawson, Margaret Ekpo, Asekata Kaboro, they abandoned Biafra and joined Nigeria. At the end of the war, what happened? Are they not still where they are? Any progress in them? Now, this is how they deny the one that are Igbos, deny they are not Igbos. And claim their brother's property. All over Federation of Nigeria after the war, it's only in this called Niger Delta, South that they have abandoned property. Even the only abandoned property that Lagos State is claiming, Queen's Drive, Louis Ojukwu. Ojukwu came back from Ivory Coast 1982 and take it back. It's only rivers and other buyers and other areas you hear abandoned property. They have come again. Since they could ask what is the end of Ken Saro-Wiwa, they could ask what is the end of Asekata Kaboro. What of Margaret Ekpo? Where is his family, her family now? What do they achieve in one Nigeria? They have started doing that mistake again. Nnamdikanu, Simon Ekpa, what is the difference? If Simon Ekpa get the Biafra, is it not good for us to go? If Simon Ekpa get the Biafra, is it not good for us to go? Even if Azidukubo will come tomorrow and get the Biafra, I will go. You say Azidukubo, if you can have support tomorrow, is the one that get the Biafra, let us go. I'm telling you honestly, to show you how I regard any person who will get the Biafra for us. Now, Nnamdikanu is a legitimate leader or agitator. Niger Delta, South. When Nnamdikanu was outside, do you people agree with him? Do you people accept him? Do you people work hand in hand with him? Niger Delta are following the trend of Ohaneze Igbo. They are following the trend of Igbo politicians, Southeast politicians. South, Niger Delta. The pollution in Ogoni land, is it Biafra that polluted it? Is it Nnamdikanu or Simon Ekpa that polluted it? Is it not the same Nigeria? Now, Nigeria have recognized Nnamdikanu that is the only agitator they know, is the only thing they know, because it's in that net. nnamdikanu come out now, the same Niger Delta will say we don't agree. The same Niger Delta will say we don't agree. Now, what is different between nnamdikanu and the Simon Ekpa? Is it not the same cause that the Simon Ekpa is following the same course nnamdikanu led down? It's not the foundation of nnamdikanu that Simon Ekpa is building upon. Now, look at it. Simon Ekpa never said he is the overall leader of IPOB, whether IPOB autopilot, whether IPOB one family. He always refer himself as nnamdikanu disciple. When somebody say he was nnamdikanu disciple, is he not submissive unto nnamdikanu? Whosoever believe in Simon Ekpa is nnamdikanu disciple. Because Simon Ekpa said, on the process, if nnamdikanu come out, he will hand everything over to nnamdikanu. He's not coming to rub shoulder. But one thing he will not agree is somebody to come out from anywhere say, nnamdikanu said, when nnamdikanu is in detention, nnamdikanu will come out, be free, and talk to him. Not somebody come out from write any letter, say nnamdikanu said. Go use AI, artificial intelligence, and program anything, bring it out, air it, and say nnamdikanu say that he will not agree that one. Let them believe in nnamdikanu. They let nnamdikanu talk to him face to face. He will hand everything over to nnamdikanu. Then why wouldn't you follow him? You say you are waiting for nnamdikanu to come out from detention. Why can't you wait to Ojukwu to rise up from grave and start leading Biafra again? Okay, Niger Delta should wait until Ojukwu rise up from grave. South should wait until Ojukwu rise up from grave. Igbo leaders, Ohaneze and Igbo, Igbo politicians should wait until Ojukwu rise up from grave before they will agree in one Biafra. If Simon Ekpa drop and did not continue shouting for Biafra, do you think that Biafra will reach where we are? Both nnamdikanu and Biafra issue could have been buried. If not for Simon Ekpa, with the Biafra government in exile. Biafra issue, nnamdikanu could have been buried and forgotten. He said, I did not believe in Simon Ekpa. I did not agree with Simon Ekpa. Do Simon Ekpa forcing you to agree with him? Why will you believe in Simon Ekpa? Is he God? Simon Ekpa is doing the assignment he was brought into this world to do. In the absence of nnamdikanu. Then where Niger Delta or whosoever, South or those Iberibe people in Igbo land said they believe in nnamdikanu, now he's in prison. If nnamdikanu come out and the Simon Ekpa begin to rub shoulder with him, now you say, is it so? That's so? Then you can support nnamdikanu and please shop Simon Ekpa. But not now. All of us are looking the way to restore Biafra. But let me tell Niger Delta, South, or whosoever, waiting for nnamdikanu to come out before restoration. Nnamdikanu will not come out until Biafra is restored. Nnamdikanu will not come out until Biafra is restored. It was restoration of Biafra will bring nnamdikanu out. And if nnamdikanu will come out before restoration of Biafra, without the Simon Ekpa activities, nnamdikanu will not come out. Without the Simon Ekpa activity, Biafra government in exile activity, nnamdikanu will not come out. So those who are waiting when nnamdikanu will come out before they will accept the Biafra restoration, or before they count themselves to be Biafra, or whatever they would like to be, which means Biafra will not get hurt if they are waiting for nnamdikanu to come out before they will agree. It's just waiting. Jesus Christ have come and died. You are just waiting that when he come again before you believe in him. Christ have come and died on cross of earth to save us. I said we should believe in him. We have our salvation in him. Then you say no until when he come again the second time before you believe in him. That time you are making a very, very big mistake. You are marching to hellfire. That's just like what these people are doing. You are waiting when nnamdikanu will come out before you are being. If you don't want to be Biafra, and you don't believe in Biafra, and you are not Biafra. If you don't join in this struggle now, you say when nnamdikanu come out, that everyone will be milk and honey. That time you will believe, because that time you have become milk and honey. No more killing, no more shouting, no more checkpoints. That time you believe in Biafra. When others have labored to finish, you believe in Biafra. Nnamdikanu is coming out his final stage. Nnamdikanu coming out in the final stage of Biafra restoration. In the final stage, Biafra flag have already rise up among the Committee of Nations. So they should stop deceiving themselves. You don't believe in Sam Monica, you believe in Nnamdikanu. Don't believe in Sam Monica. Believe in Nnamdikanu. If another person come out now as a Ngozi Orabeze is speaking now, and the man who declare Biafra restoration on this November 29, you know, it wasn't Sam Monica. When people like that rise up now and start watching struggle again, you say, no, I don't believe in them. I believe in Sam Monica. Let Finland go release Sam Monica. This is whom I believe on him. Look at them. Look at how wise they are. Let them wait until Ojukwu come up from grave and restore Biafra before they believe in Biafra. They should go and relax. Ojukwu come up from grave and restore Biafra before they believe.
But this thing they are making a very big mistake.
It's a very big mistake. They are mocking themselves. They are laughing themselves. Eh? This one they did that made them did not come out openly with the full heart to fight with the Biafra against the common enemies. They want to divide them. This one is River State. This one is Southeast State. And this one is East Central State. That's how all of them turn away from Biafra. The same Ray Lawson who sang Oh Biafra, the land of freedom. Oh Biafra, the land of freedom. The same Ray Lawson turned and went back to Nigeria.